Yo, what's good, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. It is 10:11 p.m. So very late video for you guys, but a video for you guys nonetheless. And I wanted to answer a question that I got regarding all the custom ROM videos I've been putting up lately. Um, my if anyone's like, dude, why are you so like all over on custom ROMs? Look at my earliest videos from like 9, 10 years ago. They were all reviews on custom ROMs. So this was always been my forte. And when the custom ROM scene just kind of slowed down a little bit, I started doing different types of videos just to bring something for those who subscribe to my channel. But custom ROMs was always the core thing of this channel. So I will always have this deep interest and excitement for them. Now, one question that I got revolving not just my Pixel 6, but all my Pixel devices that I've made videos on that I flashed Evolution X onto them. First of all, to explain why I did that is because I wanted to make video content reviewing just how the process was and how the phones are responding to this custom Android operating system that's running on them. So not just doing it on one device and saying that it's great and saying that, you know what, do it on a Pixel 6a, do it on a Pixel 7, 7a, whatever else phone, Pixel 5. No, I wanted, to show you guys, are there certain things that may be glitchy on the Pixel 6 that's not on the Pixel 6a with the Evolution X ROM? That's the reason why that I flashed them on there. Will I revert them back to stock Android? At some point, probably I will. Once the developers just kind of like hang it up and say that they're no longer supporting certain devices at that time, and if the devices are still supported by stock Android, is when I will put it back to stock Android. Nonetheless, people want to know, will these things get Android 15? Now, let me say this. That solely depends on the developers, okay? The Evolution X team, it is solely at their discretion. You have to understand, they are everyday people like you and me right now, okay? They got jobs, they got families, or maybe they got, other engagements that they have to tend to in their day-to-day life. Developing a custom ROM is like a hobby for them. It's like gaming for the gamers. They love fiddling with code. They love taking all types of features and stuff like that and trying to make something out of it. Hi, babe. So, yeah, we have to remember that that is what they do. So we can't expect them to just drop every security update that Android puts out for a lot of these devices that they build custom ROMs for. That is the caveat to flashing a custom ROM. And even when Android 15 comes out, we cannot expect them to have Android 15 version of Evolution X ready for them the same day that Android releases it, because they have to get the source code files from Google. They have to code this stuff up, and then they have to beta test it before they release it to the public to flash on your devices. So, being on stock Android means that you're pretty much on the latest version of Android and got the security updates. That's the beneficial part of it. Being on a custom ROM is you get all the cool features, things that, Google didn't think to put into Android, to, build it out. The problem is that you won't get the updates right away. Now, if you're someone like me who could be patient, when Android 15 comes out, if it takes them a couple of weeks to a couple of months to develop the Android 15 version of Evolution X, I can wait that amount of time. I don't need to be on Android 15 right away. So that's the reason why I was comfortable flashing a custom ROM on my device. So yes, some devices will still be supported. You have to understand there are other devices that won't be, because if the developers sell the phone or the phone breaks and they don't want to repair it or replace it, then the development for that phone stops. Like if you look at the Pixel 3, the 3As and those, an Evolution X goes as far as Android 13 and it stops. Okay. Do I think the 6 will get 15? Absolutely. I feel like that they will still continue development for the Pixel 6, the 7, and the A series 6 and 7A. They'll continue on that, as well as the other Android devices that they support. When they mean by support, it's devices that the development teams own, and they basically beta test the software after coding it and making sure that all the functionalities that they want in the custom ROM are there. So, just a quick answer to that question. Thanks for checking out today's video. If you guys have any questions, comments, emotional outbursts, and concerns, drop them in the comments. Smash the like button. It helps circulate this video because YouTube doesn't like videos talking about custom ROMs. I don't know why, but share this out to your different social platforms. If you'd like to try out Helium Mobile, you can try it out for 1 month free. You know what? Just listen to this. I'll explain how. And a very big shout out to the channel partner Helium Mobile for allowing me to do this for you guys. And for those interested in signing up for their $20 a month unlimited talk, text, and data plan, you definitely can try them out for a month free just using my promo code here. Just type that in. It'll get you your first month free. And with Helium Mobile, a little bit of a different experience with them, as you can also earn crypto just by mapping out their services, which you could use towards getting a new device, paying your bill, or just cash in your pocket.